What if I told you that the secret to making more money than you ever dreamed of isn't about working harder or luckier breaks? It's about unlocking the power already inside your mind. Yes, I'm talking about the law of attraction, a principle that countless millionaires swear by, yet so many people misunderstand. The truth is, you don't have to be stuck in financial stress or limited by your current reality. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and even your emotions are shaping your financial future every single day. But here's the exciting part. Once you understand how to align your mind with wealth, the opportunities you've been dreaming of can flow into your life faster than you ever imagined. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness this power to attract more money than you ever thought possible. These aren't vague ideas or wishful thinking. They're actionable steps that can shift your financial destiny starting right now. So, if you're ready to create the wealth you deserve, stay with me. And while you're here, do one thing. Hit that like button and share this video with someone who's ready to turn their financial dreams into reality. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most powerful truths about wealth. Your mindset creates your reality. Think about it. How do you truly feel about money? Do you believe it's hard to earn? That it's always slipping through your fingers? Or maybe even that wanting more money is somehow wrong? If so, these beliefs might be silently holding you back from the financial success you deserve. Your thoughts about money act like a filter, shaping how you see opportunities or miss them. If you view money as scarce or think wealth is only for other people, you're sending a signal to your subconscious mind to keep you stuck in that reality. But the good news? You can change that signal, starting today. Imagine your mind as a thermostat. If it's set too low, let's say, to scarcity, you'll never allow yourself to rise above that level. But when you reset it to abundance, you open the door to unlimited possibilities. And resetting your mindset starts with shifting those limiting beliefs. Instead of saying, money is so hard to come by, replace it with, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Instead of thinking, I'll never be wealthy, affirm, I am worthy of financial success. These simple shifts may feel small, but they're incredibly powerful. Your thoughts are like seeds. Plant beliefs of abundance, and you'll start to see them grow in your life. The first step is recognizing that wealth begins in your mind, not your wallet. It's time to adjust your thermostat to abundance. Let me ask you something. Do you know exactly how much money you want to make? Not a vague idea like more money, but a clear, specific number? Most people don't. And that's one of the biggest reasons they never achieve the wealth they dream of. Without a clear goal, it's like setting out on a road trip with no destination. How will you know when you've arrived? Clarity is power. When you know exactly what you want, your mind can focus on creating the path to get there. Think about it. If your goal is to earn $100,000 in the next year, your subconscious mind starts working like a GPS, guiding you toward the opportunities and actions that will make it happen. But if your goal is just to make more money, your mind has no clear direction to follow. Take a moment to visualize your ideal financial future. What does it look like? What kind of lifestyle do you want to create? What would financial freedom feel like for you? Now write it down. Be as specific as possible. I will earn $10,000 a month, or I will pay off all my debt by the end of this year. These are not just words. They're your blueprint for success. Clarity not only gives you focus, but it also strengthens your belief that what you want is possible. The clearer you are, the stronger your ability to attract exactly what you desire. Remember, the universe can't deliver what you haven't ordered. Get specific and watch how your dreams start to take shape. Your emotions are the secret ingredient to attracting wealth. You see, it's not enough to think about money. You have to feel the emotions of abundance to truly draw it into your life. Why? Because emotions are energy, and they act like a magnet. The stronger and more positive the emotion, the more powerful the signal you're sending out. Think about this. When you feel stressed or anxious about money, you're actually broadcasting scarcity to the universe. That stress says, I don't have enough, and the universe responds by giving you more of that same energy. More lack, more struggle. But when you feel gratitude, excitement, and confidence about your financial future, you shift to a frequency of abundance, opening the door for opportunities and wealth to flow your way. One of the simplest ways to align your emotions with wealth is to practice gratitude daily. Start by focusing on what you already have, no matter how small it might seem. Maybe it's the fact that you can pay your bills, or that you found $1 in your pocket. By appreciating these things, you're signaling to the universe that you're ready for more. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself living your dream life. Debt-free, confident, surrounded by everything you desire. Feel the joy of that reality as if it's happening right now. That feeling is your superpower. The more you align with it, the faster you'll attract what you're seeking. Remember, wealth isn't just about what's in your bank account, it's about what's in your heart. Feel the abundance and watch how the world responds. Here's a powerful truth. To attract wealth, you must act as if you already have it. This doesn't mean pretending to be something you're not or spending money you don't have. It's about embodying the energy, confidence, and habits of someone who is already financially abundant. Think about it. How does a wealthy person carry themselves? They're not obsessed with lack or constantly worried about money. Instead, they move through life with a sense of ease and assurance. They believe they are capable of creating more wealth because they've already embraced that identity. This mindset isn't just reserved for those with millions in the bank. It's available to you right now. Start by shifting how you show up in the world. For example, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," reframe it to, "How can I afford this?" That small change in language shifts your focus from limitation to possibility. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and successful, even if it's just a small upgrade like a polished shirt or shoes that make you feel empowered. Another key is how you treat your money. Handle every dollar with respect, whether you're saving it, spending it, or giving it away. When you pay your bills, do it with gratitude, not frustration. Think, "I'm grateful I can afford this," rather than resenting the expense. And here's the most important part. Start celebrating your small wins as if they're major victories. Got a bonus? Found some unexpected cash? Treated yourself to something nice? Celebrate those moments like a millionaire would. Why? Because the energy of celebration reinforces the belief that more is on its way. When you act as if you're already wealthy, you're telling the universe, "I'm ready for this. I'm already living in alignment with abundance." And when you align with that energy, wealth will naturally flow to meet you. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking and feeling, it's about doing. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you can simply sit back and wait for wealth to magically appear. The truth is, action is the bridge between your thoughts and your reality. But here's the key. Not just any action, inspired action. Inspired action feels different from forcing yourself to work harder or chasing opportunities out of fear. It's when an idea, a chance, or a step forward feels aligned, exciting, and natural. It's the kind of action that resonates deeply because it feels right. The good news? These ideas often come when you've already aligned your mindset and emotions with abundance. Think about it. Maybe you've had a moment where an opportunity came your way and something told you to say yes, even if it seemed unfamiliar or outside your comfort zone. That's inspired action. It might be starting a side hustle, asking for a raise, or reaching out to someone who could help you grow. It's about trusting those nudges and acting on them. Start by asking yourself, "What's one thing I can do today to move closer to my financial goals?" It doesn't have to be a giant leap. Even small steps, like researching a new skill, setting up a budget, or networking with someone in your field, can open doors you never imagined. Remember, the universe responds to your energy, but it also needs to see your commitment. When you combine belief with action, you're sending a powerful message. I'm serious about creating abundance, and I'm ready to do my part. So, listen to your intuition, trust those inspired ideas, and take that first step today. The wealth you desire is waiting on the other side of your actions. Doubt is one of the biggest roadblocks to attracting wealth. When you question whether your efforts will work or wonder if abundance is truly possible for you, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. It's like trying to drive a car with the brakes on. You'll never get where you want to go. Letting go of doubt doesn't mean ignoring reality or pretending challenges don't exist. It means choosing to trust that the process is working even if you can't see immediate results. Imagine planting a seed in the ground. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust that it's doing what it's supposed to do. The same goes for the seeds of abundance you're planting in your life. When you hold on to doubt, you create resistance. That resistance blocks the flow of opportunities, ideas, and wealth from reaching you. On the other hand, when you relax and trust the process, you allow things to unfold in ways you might not even expect. A great way to release doubt is by shifting your focus to gratitude and affirming your trust in the process. Remind yourself, I trust that the universe is working in my favor. Abundance is already on its way to me. And don't forget to celebrate the small signs that things are moving in the right direction. Maybe you find an opportunity you weren't looking for, or a friend gives you a helpful tip, or you feel more confident about money. These are all signs that your mindset and energy are aligning with your desires. The key is patience and belief. Trust that everything you're doing, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, is creating momentum, even if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, stay confident, and know that the wealth you're working toward is on its way. The people and environments you surround yourself with have a powerful impact on your ability to attract wealth. Think about it. If you spend your time with people who constantly complain about money, focus on lack, or dismiss the idea of financial freedom, it's easy to absorb that negative energy. That energy can pull you into the same scarcity mindset, making it harder to create the abundance you desire. To truly attract wealth, you need to align yourself with people and environments that reflect abundance. Spend time with those who inspire you, who have a positive relationship with money, and who encourage growth and possibility. These are the people who celebrate your wins, share opportunities, and remind you that success is possible. Your environment matters just as much. Look around you. Does your space feel chaotic, cluttered, or uninspired? If so, it might be holding you back. Take time to create an environment that reflects abundance, even in small ways. Clean up your workspace, add a vision board with your financial goals, or surround yourself with books, podcasts, or videos that motivate you to grow. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Energy is contagious, and when you surround yourself with abundance-minded people and uplifting spaces, you naturally start to think, feel, and act in alignment with wealth. It's like being in a garden of growth. When you're in the right environment, your dreams flourish. So, make the choice today to elevate your circle and your surroundings. Let go of anything that drags you into scarcity and embrace the energy of abundance. The more you immerse yourself in this mindset, the more naturally wealth will flow into your life. You now have the 7 steps to unlock the incredible wealth and abundance you've always dreamed of. Let's quickly recap. Shift your money mindset, clarify what you want, align your emotions with wealth, act as if you're already successful, take inspired action, let go of doubt, and surround yourself with abundance energy. These aren't just ideas, they're a blueprint for transforming your financial reality. The most important thing to remember is that wealth begins in your mind. The thoughts you think, the beliefs you hold, and the emotions you cultivate are shaping your financial future every single day. The power to create the life you want isn't out of reach, it's already within you. But here's the thing, none of this will work unless you take the first step. So, I challenge you. What's one thing you can do today to start aligning yourself with abundance? Maybe it's writing down your financial goals, practicing gratitude, or taking that first inspired action. Whatever it is, start now, because every moment you delay is a moment you could be building the life of your dreams. If this video resonated with you, don't keep this transformation to yourself. Hit the like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And in the comments below, let me know, what's the first step you're taking to create wealth today? Remember, you are capable, you are deserving, and you are ready for this. Abundance is waiting for you. It's time to claim it. Let's make your financial dreams a reality, starting right now.